An effective business leader possesses a unique blend of attributes that enables them to inspire, motivate, and guide their team towards success. While there's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, certain traits are commonly associated with exceptional leaders. In this video, we are sharing what makes an effective business leader. Firstly, an effective business leader must have a clear vision and ability to articulate it convincingly. They should be able to paint a compelling picture of the future for their team members, inspiring them with a sense of purpose and direction. Moreover, they should continuously communicate this vision through transparent and open dialogue. Secondly, great leaders demonstrate strong emotional intelligence. They understand the importance of empathy and actively listen to their employees' concerns or ideas without judgment, by fostering an inclusive and supportive environment where everyone feels valued. Leaders can harness diverse perspectives within their team, which leads to innovation and collaboration. Additionally, adaptability is key for successful leadership in today's rapidly changing business landscape. Leaders who embrace change rather than resisting it can navigate uncertainty more effectively while inspiring confidence in others during challenging times. A willingness to learn from both successes and failures also contributes significantly to growth as they encourage continuous improvement throughout the organization. Furthermore, an effective leader demonstrates personal accountability by setting high standards for themselves first before expecting it from others. They lead by example through integrity and decision-making processes while prioritizing ethical behavior within the company's culture. Lastly, but equally important, delegation skills are crucial for effective leadership. Effective leadership identifies individual strengths among team members, allowing them autonomy over tasks that align best with their expertise. This not only empowers individuals, but also maximizes productivity levels overall. In conclusion, an effective business leader possesses a combination of qualities such as visionary thinking, emotional intelligence, adaptability, accountability, and delegation skills. By embodying these attributes consistently, they can create an environment where employees feel inspired to give their best efforts towards achieving collective goals. Ultimately, an exceptional leader cultivates loyalty and fosters a thriving and innovative culture within their organization. If you found this video helpful, then do like, share, and subscribe to this channel to get future videos.